Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we are achieving a full glam look for a night out using 100% pure cosmetics. So let's go. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the Lysine Herbs Healing Lip Balm. I really like this balm. It's very soothing and cooling. It's perfect for the fall and winter. I really love this primer. They have a mattifying primer and then they have this luminous. It really plumps your skin, it hydrates your skin, and it does a great job filling your pores without being too matte so that you have a smooth base for your makeup. Oh, that looks so good. So good. Next, we're going to use the Fruit Pigmented Healthy Foundation. I am using the shade Mousse. This foundation comes in 9 shades and it covers a vast range. So I started just with one layer of foundation so you can see how it looks with just one layer. And this you would probably use for more of an everyday. But since we're going full glam, we are going to do another layer. This foundation definitely works best with like oily skin and combination skin. There is a sale on this foundation, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you more about that, and it is more than 50% off, so it's totally worth it. This foundation retails normally for about $48, so this sale you want to stick around for. Okay, now that I have applied my concealer, which isn't from 100% pure, so we won't talk about it, but since we're going to go glam, I'm going to use this Long Last concealer. This shade's way too light for me. It's the color Cream. I actually got this as a free sample gift from them when I ordered like a while back, so I thought that was really sweet. I like to use it as just a little bit of a brightening right here under the eye, just a little bit, and a little bit on the highlight points, like literally not a lot at all. If you do have like fair to somewhat medium skin, this Long Last concealer formula will work well for you. I've seen really great reviews about it. Let us all know in the comments below if you have tried this concealer and what you think. I feel like my base is looking pretty good. For the eyes, we're trying to go pretty glam. So if you've never heard of this brand, this is something I highly recommend. It is just such a great overall product for almost every skin tone. They have 3 shades of this bronzer. It's Cocoa Gem, which is the lightest. There's Cocoa Kisses right in the middle. And then I have today the Cocoa Glow. I'm sure if you're a lighter tone, you can use it as a contour. Today, I'm going to use this as a transition, just overall kind of shade for my eye. And this is a perfect shade for every day. Like honestly, if we weren't doing a glam, this would be so nice for every day. Wow, that looks so good. I'm going to be using both of the types of eyeshadow that 100% Pure has, which is in palette form and also individual. This is the individual. And I'm going to use this really pigmented dark purple by 100% Pure. So they have discontinued this color. You may be able to find it online. I'm going to take a little bit more. I know a lot of people can be pretty skeptical about the performance and capability of organic makeup, clean beauty makeup, and I totally get it. I mean, these ingredients, they're so gentle. You wonder if they really are going to be pigmented, if they're going to last long. And over the years, I've definitely had some fails, but these products are usually my everyday go-to hits. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this punch of pink here because I want this makeup look to be really in your face. A little pink right here at the top to kind of peek out. So I'm just going to take this one in the corner and kind of give it like a flick, like as if it was my liner. And then I think I'm going to do a cut. Yep, I did it. Now I'm going to blend this in. The clean beauty is definitely a learning curve, and especially with organic products, they can be very gentle. And so, you know, just a little bit of practice and trying different techniques. I'm definitely still on the journey, and that's why I am so excited to be doing these videos and sharing them with everyone so that together we can learn how to be clean and glam. This is the Better Naked palette. It comes with 3 shadows, a blush, and an illuminator, and you can use any of these for whatever you want. The blush I use a lot as an eyeshadow. The luminizer, I always am popping it everywhere, so it works for your whole face. I just really love that rather than using like really harsh synthetic ingredients, these eyeshadows are made with fruits and vegetables, herbs and oils, and like really, really organic good ingredients. Okay, so for the lid color, I'm going to use the middle shade, which is Kitty Chat. Okay, let's go back in with the purple. You can find this purple shade, something similar to it by 100% Pure. It's in their Very Naked palette, which is another one of the 4 that they have. How we looking? How we looking? Since I don't have a contour from 100% Pure, I did receive these cute little sample packs. I'm going to use the darkest shade that they sent me, which is in the Fruit Pigmented Water Foundation in 5.0. It looks like it will be dark enough for a contour, so let's just pray it is. And I'm just going to sort of circular motion. Okay, and of course we have to contour the nose. So I'm going to use this same foundation. I actually really like the way it's drying. I could tell that it will make a really great full face foundation. So I'm going to go back in with the Long Last concealer just to give it another extra little highlight. Now let's just give the face a nice spray. I'm using this toner infused with rose crystals by Luxe Lotion, and it's really great. I'm just gonna So while the setting spray is drying, I'm just going to pop on this little illuminating cream. They don't sell them in the pots anymore, but they do have like an illuminating cream in the wand, and they have other highlighters. You can also use the Fox Luminizer that comes in the Better Naked palette, which I use a lot. But this one is creamy, and I just feel like it really gives you that starlight look, especially in the corners of your eyes. I mean, it's just so beautiful. I'm just going to kind of lay it down nicely in the corner of my eye for a little extra highlight. Just going to take it with my finger and pop it, dab it, dab it. I'm going to use this same highlighter on my nose at the bridge of my lips, right on top here. It's just so pretty. So it's time to talk about the 100% Pure blush, which is one of my absolute favorite products from them. You will not be at all skeptical if these pigments will show up, because you can see just how pigmented these blushes really are. I'm going to be sparingly, but not too sparingly, because we're going glam. I'm going to get the apples, and I'm going to go up and do my little Diana Ross that I like to do. It can get really colorful really quickly. And I want to deepen this pink up a bit. I'm gonna go back in just with the bronzer. I have not been able to try the liner, so I'm just going to go in with my all the time liner. Just to keep everything clean, a little hack, you can always just pop a little bit more of your lid color on top. Okay, I'm back. I have the lashes on. 100% Pure has ultra lengthening mascara that people are absolutely obsessed with. I wish that I had it here for you, but I'm actually out of it. But I would highly recommend to go to their website and really check out the mascara, see the reviews, see the pictures. It is really impressive for clean beauty mascara. Once again, you can just see how pigmented this eyeshadow really is. And I really like the purple underneath. Like, that's cool and cute. I'm a little nervous with the black, so we're just going to put a little bit of the Fig, which you can now get in charcoal at 100% Pure underneath this. But not too much, and mostly in the corners. And I'm going to bring it up into the liner. And now, we're going to go in for the lips. Oh my goodness, you guys. These lip products are legit the beefies. They are so good. They are pigmented. They last long. The first one that we're going to use is the Cocoa Butter Semi-Matte Fruit Pigmented Lipstick. And we're going to use it in the color Blood Orange. I love this color. I reviewed it in my Top Red Lips. I'm gonna line my lips with foundation. A lot of people normally do it with the contour, but I'm just gonna go back into the Fruit Pigmented Water foundation. Okay, are you ready? This is gonna put the finishing touches to our glam look, so let's go. Right now, I'm going to give this lip just another little pop with the Lip Caramels by 100% Pure. This is in the color Red Velvet. The tip on this is just so good. Oh, look at that. Wow. Let's give her a little bit of a dab. I'm gonna come back with a hairdo. Okay, organic beauty lovers, this is the final look. I absolutely love it so much. I think it is the perfect going out makeup, date night makeup. Anyone out there who is thinking about switching, fear not, this makeup will definitely give you full coverage, especially for everyday, but even glam. I promised you that I will tell you all about this amazing deal right now happening on the 100% Fruit Pigmented Healthy Foundation. Right now, you can click the link in my description box to find this $48 foundation on sale for $15. Definitely check it out. It's the perfect time if you were thinking about using this foundation. You can try it risk-free. You will get the full size. They have 9 shades. The mousse has been my perfect go-to. So if you are a similar skin tone to me, then I would highly recommend to start with trying mousse. Click the link below so that you can get this amazing discount on organic and gentle foundation. Thank you so much for watching the video. I can't wait to hang out with you guys again, playing some makeup, talk more about non-toxic and clean beauty. So I'll see you next time. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a video, and holla at your girl. All right, peace.